Assalamu alaikum movers. It's the time for the smart English reader and activity book. Move to page number 12. Okay, what is this on this page? This is the activity time. Okay, what you can see in the picture, this is aeroplane. This is aeroplane. Okay, can you see the letter aeroplane here? Aeroplane. Okay, you don't need to spell the word. Okay, just see where is aeroplane. Okay, just match it. Now what is this? Yes, this is alligator. Where is alligator? Match it with the alligator. Okay, first of all, teacher tell the students that this is apple, aeroplane, duck, bat, car, alligator, ants and board. Teacher will guide the students because students are not familiar with the spellings, but they can see the starting sound. Okay, just like this. What is this? Duck. Now see what is duck. Okay, now match it. Same like this, complete the page and send this picture to me.